I'm so busy talking on the phone, so I'm not going to hear his name. How do I remember his name? And that always happens. We don't hear people's names. We don't see that person's face. Then how do you expect to remember it? Okay? What's your name, sir? James Edward. James, what do you do? Okay. James, Martin Luther Delhi. I asked him these questions. I didn't know they were going to do. Okay. Yeah, by using his name. Okay, if I don't repeat the name of the person, I will not remember it. Okay? Now, a lifelong, if we never meet after today, I will not forget your name. How do I remember their faces? I see them talking, I see them walking, I see their body mannerisms, and I make a mental image. Now, I close my eyes and I enhance the image. I make the image big. Okay, I make you 10 feet, 15 feet tall. Anything that is tiny will be forgotten. Anything that is huge in size will never be forgotten. Can you forget the King Kong?
No.
Assume the King Kong comes here, what will you do? Yes, very fast.
We will worship.
Sorry?
We will worship.
We will worship. Yeah, so anything that is huge in size will not be forgotten. And now, I will not forget your face, I will not forget your face. Neither your name, because I have registered the face in my mind, I have registered his name in the mind. James. Sorry? Bharti. Okay. With James, I can link him with James Bond, Lata Mangeshkar, Neha, whoever Neha Dubia, whatever. And I made some mental image. No, not just Neha. I have thought of a girl called Neha Shah. So I will link him to her. For example, I've got so many James, James Mehta, James Khanna, James Bahulan. What is that? Bharti. So that's the way I remember people's names and people's faces. Okay?
Coding.
Sorry? Coding. Yes. Good. Give a big hand for me here. How do we remember the birthdays and all? I'll give a small demo of that. These are around 500 of people's birthdays. I'll quickly just pass on randomly some of the birthdays. You see any birthday and you just tell me the name of the person, I'll tell you the birthday. I say correctly. Tell me any name from the birthday. Yeah. Meher Irani is 5th Jan. Yeah.
Sumit Dandani.
Sorry?
Dandani. Sumit Dandani.
Sumit Dandaria is 16th March. Yeah.
Rishika Shah.
Rishika Shah, 30th October. Leena, 14th March.
Rishika Shah.
Ishika Shah is 11th August. Yes, I heard Rishika saying. Sorry, Rishika saying is 30th October. Yeah. Vibhuti is 2nd December.
Naina Bhandari.
Sorry?
Naina Bhandari.
Naina Bhandari is 12th August. Sir, before you. 13th August. Yes. Now, how do I remember so many birthdays? What I do is, when I'm learning a birthday, I remember the month. Is there anybody here born in January? Yeah, Neha ji, what's your birthday? 7 Jan. Who was born in February here? I'm born in February. I'm 6th Feb. If I'm learning birthdays, say of the people present here. Neha is 7 Jan. Ninu is 6th Feb. Is there anyone born in March here? April? Okay, who's born in April? He plays good cricket. Very good cricket. Sachin, 24th April. Who's born in May here? Yeah. What's your name, sir? Naam kya aapka? Sunil. 16th May. Okay. And June? Okay, June. When? What? 25th. Okay. So the people here, Neha, 7th Jan, Ninu, 6th Feb, and then straight away May, March to April. May 16th, May Sunil, and 25th June, Lataji. So if in just 2 minutes we can remember these birthdays, you just close your eyes and try to revise, re-revise. After you go home, again revise. Later on, you will never forget these birthdays. See, because of mobile phones, because of calcies and everything, we are not using this mental computer, which is far better than anything else. Okay? We save every number in the phone, right? How many numbers are saved in my phone? Any idea? No. 2 numbers. My house numbers are there. I remember 5,000 numbers, but all in my memory. If I know you and I'm taking your number right now, I may save it. Later on, I will write it in a diary and I will delete it. By keeping everything in this memory and all, we are not using our mental memory. We can remember thousands of numbers, birthdays, faces, if we do things the correct way. Okay, at the beginning I told you, okay, we will do something about concentration. Let's do something about that. Sit straight, everybody. Okay, सब लोग सीधे बैठ जाइए. And keep your books, your pens, everything down. Join your feet together. Now, just close your eyes. If you want to, you can remove your specs as well. Close your eyes. Keep your feet on the ground. Keep your hands on your feet. And have a broad smile on your face. Meditation, yoga, all these things are really important in improving memory. I run memory classes for children, for elders. Everybody comes in it. We also, among other things, do a small session on yoga, meditation, where we see how we can really focus. If you are not focused, you will not remember. Just quickly go through what we did today. Keeping your eyes closed. हमने इतनी सारी memory tricks सब किए, सब जरा वापस रिवाइज करते रह जाइए. And constantly smile, 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 and breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, and relax yourself. Go through the birds, the trees, the laws, the math tricks, everything. And when you are doing this, don't think of anything else. Don't think of your work tensions. Don't think of anything else that may be in your mind. Don't think about what you are going to do after you leave this place. Just think of what you are focusing on. What you did in the last 1 hour or so. That is very important. Now very slowly, turn your head onto the left side. Take it fully to the left. Fully to the left. आराम से. लेकिन पूरा लेफ्ट की तरफ जाइए. Now slowly go to the other side, from the left, travel to the right. Now slowly go up. Go fully up. And eventually come down. Come fully down. Slowly come up. No, slowly come up. Slowly matlab open your eyes. It's left, right, up, down. And now rub your hands hard. Apply it on your face. Now, ये करने से आपकी सारी थकान दूर हो जाएगी. You will be fresher, active, agile, and more enthusiastic about your work. Unless you don't have passion and enthusiasm for memory or for anything in life, it is difficult to succeed in that.